All right, we got a package coming in from Prada Beauty. It is the new Prada Luna Rossa Sport 2024. At least I hope so. I hope they didn't send me the old bottle. Let me give you guys my first thought. The new bottle, how cool. All red, red on top, red at the bottom as well. But without further ado, let's get to the actual fragrance itself. Currently, this has notes of vanilla, lavender, as well as this hay accord and a slight tobacco accord. Let's see what this is about. It is very sporty. I'm gonna be honest, it's not super exciting, fresh and clean. It still does retain the original Prada Luna Rossa Sport DNA, but this one kind of adds a bit more of its own kick, because I do have to say the original ones kind of had this kind of like Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Male feel about them. This one adds this nice, slightly musky ambrette backbone. It's just very easygoing, casual, nothing super exciting, but pleasant to be around. And with a sport name like that, I guess it kind of makes sense. You're not gonna like drop any panties, if you will, but at the same time, if you just want something casual, pleasant to be around, and you just want to smell nice and clean, it almost has this nice powdery baby wipe aspect, but with this nice soapy lavender, this is gonna be a great choice for the gym. Prada Luna Rossa Sport, and I'd say the bottle is really, really cool. So it's just a nice pickup, if you will. If you want like a nice fresh scent that isn't a blue fragrance, this is a nice choice. I'm just gonna make this my little gym fragrance, if you will, just something casual to wear, easy, nothing super exciting and attention grabbing, but just something that's pleasant to be around.